Before I get into the actual, basically sauce, I want to give you guys a framework of success because it all starts from the recruiting appointment, right? It starts off. So if you guys are here, obviously I'm assuming that you guys are already productive and your intention is to grow your team or to build an organization and you want to build that leverage. And you guys already know agent attraction is just like listings, it's just like buyer business. It's all about building relationships. So one of the things that is super elementary, which I think every single one of you should do, is basically set up and make a list of all of your people that you already have a relationship with, right? That's how I started. That's how I was coached 7 years ago. So I want to definitely not skip that elementary process, right? Because what we're going to be discussing is, how you actually convert the agent. But, in the beginning, you're growing, you want to focus on the people that you already have a relationship. Just like if I was coaching you as a brand new agent, I would say make your list of all your people that you know and start to reach out to them. That's exactly what I did. And the other thing is that you want to be memorable. You want to definitely create an experience that is different than everyone else. Differentiation in this market and in this world that we're in now, especially with AI, it's such an important element for everything. So the first thing that I'm going to cover is you want to create an amazing experience. That is literally the most important part. And the way that I've been able to create an amazing experience is by going through the appointment. The first thing, SVN approach. So when I meet with an agent and I'm sitting across from someone, I get their story, vision, and needs. Those are the three things that I get before I open up my mouth about anything EXP, about anything value related. I literally make sure that I get those three things: story, vision, and needs. We're fact finding. That's what we're doing first. Where I see a lot of people make mistakes in agent attraction is that you want to throw up everything about the model, everything about the company, and before you know it, you sound like a salesperson that is cheesy and people don't want to work with you. You have to be present. You have to listen to them first, hear their story, their vision, and their needs. And then and only then I share my story, my vision, and how what we're doing can help them alleviate some of their pain points, right? So that's basically the framework of success. I would say step number one, because if you can't get the appointment right, then everything else that I'm going to talk about today is not going to make sense.